Hello guys, welcome to Problem Mania. So today in this video we are gonna deal with a very good problem of probability in which we will use the concept of conditional probabilities, Bayes theorem and many more. So let's start. So this is our question. A bag contains n balls, one of which is white. The probability that A and B speak truth are P1 and P2 respectively. One ball is drawn from the bag and A and B both assert that it is white. Find the probability that the drawn ball is actually white or white. So let's start the solution. Suppose A1 be the event that drawn ball is white and A2 be the event that drawn ball is not white. Drawn ball is not white. And now suppose E be the event that both A and B claims that it is white. It is white. The ball drawn is white. Now I am writing the probabilities of each of these. Now what is P of A1? P of A1 is 1 by n, as the total number of white balls in the bag is 1 and the total number of balls is n. Now P of A2 is equals to n minus 1 by n, as the total number of non-white ball is n minus 1 and total number of balls in the bag is n. So, and what is the PE? PE that both A and B claims that it is white. It is only possible if both A and B speak truth or if both A and B speak lie. If one of them will say truth and other will lie, then this event can't be happen. So P of E is equals to P of A1 into P of E by A1 plus P of A2 into P of E by A2. So now what is this P of E by A1 and what is P of E by A2? P of E by A1 is the probability that A and B claims that the ball is white and it is also actually white. Now P of E by A2 is that the ball is not white, but the A and B both say lie that it is white. So P of E by A2 and P of E by A1. We have to find these probabilities. So P of E by A1 equals to P1 into P2, as the ball is actually white and both A and B claims that it is white, so they both are telling truth. So the probability of being telling truth is P1 for A and P2 for B, so it is P1 into P2. Now what P of A by E by A2, that the ball is not white but they both say lie, so it is 1 minus P, that 1 minus P2, that it is white. So it will be the probabilities that both say lie. So the probability of telling lie for A is 1 minus P1 and for B is 1 minus P2. So now I am writing PE. So it is P of A1, P of E by A2 plus P of A2 plus P of E by A2 A1 equals to, now what is P of A1 is it is 1 by n and P of E by A1 is P1 into P2, as both say truth. P of A2 is n minus 1 by n into P of E by A2, which is 1 minus P1 into 1 minus P2, as both say lie. So this is PE. But this is not asked in the question. The question asked you that find the probability that the drawn ball is actually white. So we will find it by using Bayes theorem, as you have to find out A1 by E, that both claims that A and B both claims that it is white, but what is the probability that it is actually white? So it is equals to P of E by A1 into P of A1 by P of I'm writing it in short, which is P of E. So this is the probability you have to find. So this will equals to P of A1 by E is equals to P of E by A1, which is P1 into P2, and P of A1, which is 1 by N, and P of E we have find that P1 by P2 plus N minus 1, 1 minus P1, 1 minus P2 by N. So you will cancel N. So your final answer will be P1 P2 by P1 P2 plus N minus 1, 1 minus P1 into 1 minus P2. So this is your final answer, that probability that the ball drawn is actually white, and both A and B claims that it is white. So if you liked our video, then subscribe our channel. Thank you.